Hello everyone, welcome back to Express VTU for all. In this video, we are going to solve a very important problem from Model 3 which is based on sampling theory. So the question is, in a sample of 100 people in this city, the average income was rupees 210 with the standard deviation was rupees 10. For another sample of 150 person, the average income was rupees 220 with the standard deviation of rupees 12. The standard deviation of the income of the pupil of the city was rupees 11. Test whether there is any significant difference between the average income of the localities. So here three standard deviation are given. First one is rupees 10, second one is rupees 12, and third one is rupees 11. So here we are using Z test. Why? Because it is asked about the standard deviation for 11. These two are given for just confusion. If this standard deviation is not given, then we are using T test. What is the formula of T test? If this standard deviation are not given in this question, then we are using the T pool test. T test means, or we can say that pooled standard deviation. So what is the formula of this? T equals to x2 minus x1 divided by under root s1 the whole square by n1 plus s2 the whole square by n2. I am writing just the formula for the reference. If this standard deviation are not given in the question and two deviation are given, then you use this formula. But in this case, we are using the Z test. So let's solve it. Solution. So first we write our sample 1 because two samples are there. So in sample 1, what is our n value? N1 equals to 100. This is 100 people. And what is our x1, which is nothing but average income? Then this is x bar 1, which is equals to 210. And what is our standard deviation? S1 equals to 10. Like that, in sample 2, n2 equals to 150, x2 bar equals to 10, and standard deviation of s2 equals to 12. So this is our two sample which is given in this question. Let's solve it step by step. So what is our first step, which is state the hypothesis. We consider two hypotheses. First one is null hypothesis and second one is alternate hypothesis. So step 1, which is state the hypothesis. This is nothing but the assumption. So first one is null hypothesis. Null hypothesis, which can be represented as H naught. So what is this? There is no significant difference between the average income of the two localities. Means we can write it as H naught, which stands to U1 equals to U2. Means there is no difference between the two localities. And what is our alternate hypothesis? Here we can write it as alternate hypothesis, which is represented as H1. In this, there is a significant difference between the average income. It means H1 represented as where U1 not equal to U2. So there is a significant difference between the average income. So now move to our second step. So our step 2 is test statics. So we are using Z test. I already explained to you why I am using Z test. So what is the formula? So Z equals to x2 bar minus x1 bar divided by sigma under root 1 by n1 plus 1 by n2. So all the value we have. And what is the value of sigma? Sigma equals to, it is asking about the standard deviation for rupees 11. So our sigma value is 11. So this is 11. Now put all the values in the formula. So Z equals to 220 x2r value minus x1r value, which is equals to 210 divided by sigma value equals to 100, sorry 11, 1 by n1 value is 100 plus n2 value is 150. So this is nothing but 10 divided by 11 under root. When you take the LCM, it becomes 100 into 150, so this will cancel out, it becomes 150 plus 100. So z equals to 10 divided by 11 into, this is 250 divided by 100 into 150. So when you solve it, it becomes z equals to 10 by 11 into 0.1291. So when you further solve it, it becomes 10 divided by 1.42. It becomes 7.04. So our z value equals to 7.04. So here two samples are there, so we are using two tail test. So for step 4 is critical value. So in the question, it is not asking out at what percent we have to find the significant difference. So we consider at 5% level of significance. So at 5% level of significance, we are using two tail test because two samples are there in the question. So what is our critical value? Z critical at 5%, which is nothing but plus minus 1.96. This already I explained in my first video. You can go and watch it. So our this value at 5% level of significance, which is 1.96. So Z equals to 7.04 is greater than 1.96. So here our hypothesis reject, means H0 is reject, null hypothesis reject here, because the calculated value is greater than the given value at 5% level of significance. So what is the final conclusion? Since the calculated Z value is greater than the table value at 5% level of significance, so we reject null hypothesis. There is a significant difference between the average income of two localities. So we can write it as there is a significant difference between the average income of the two localities. So like this, you have to solve in the examination step by step to get the full marks. So thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe Express VTU for all.